Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And Steve used to make this recipe every Thanksgiving.
Absolutely. Every Thanksgiving and
it was so
Christmas,
good.
Holiday party. It is so good.
And everybody got used to that and they wanted it and they asked for it. Every year they asked for this after the first time that he made it.
Well, who doesn't like cornbread sausage stuffing?
I know.
Especially the way Steve made it. So this is his recipe that we're going to do for you today. You are going to love it. So we're going to take you back and we're going to show you how it's done.
We are starting off with 2 boxes of Jiffy Corn muffin mix.
We've got 2 eggs in there and 2/3 cups milk.
We're going to whisk that together
Till it's combined.
Get it all creamy.
And
pre-grease a 9x13 baking dish.
And I'm just going to spread that evenly in there. I don't want to make it too thick. I want to keep it thin.
Bake according to what the Jiffy package instructions say.
And then once that's cooled, we're going to slice that up and cube it up so that it looks like this. And
preheat the oven to 250 degrees. Spread it onto a large baking sheet.
And then once we get it on there, we're going to place it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Should do it. And get it all dry.
It's dried and ready.
And then we're just going to set that aside. Then we've got our Dutch oven on medium-low, and we've got 4 tablespoons of butter.
We're going to do 1 pound of breakfast sausage.
And I'm using the Tennessee Pride.
Oh, that's really good.
It is good. It's really good sausage. And I'm just using the mild. Some people use the sage, and that's your option, but we're going to add our sage later.
We always put butter in everything.
Of course. Exactly. So I'm going to break up this sausage in here.
And chop it up.
Yeah. Get it all chopped. And then you can even use...
You can use a potato smasher. I mean, it chops up, really fine.
Yeah, that'll help crumble it.
If you want it more crumbly.
Once that's brown, you can...
move it to the side. And put the butter in.
We're going to add 4 more tablespoons of butter. And then
1 large sweet diced onion. And 3 stalks of celery diced.
And I'm going to mix this into that yummy butter.
And saute.
And
2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Oh, this is smelling so good.
Oh, yeah. Get that mixed together, and then I'm going to start combining it into the sausage. And we've got something special that we like to add to our stuffing to give it lots of flavor coming up.
But it's a secret. Cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
Look at all that steam. And those veggies are nice and tender now.
That smells so good.
Oh, yeah, it does. Definitely. So then...
in a separate bowl, add 2 eggs.
And then we're going to add some chicken broth.
2 cups of chicken or turkey broth, whichever one you prefer. And get that all whisked up.
And then I'm going to move this off the heat over here also. We want that to cool down before we start. Then
1 teaspoon of onion powder.
Add that in. And
1 teaspoon of ground dried sage.
And you could use sage leaves if you'd like. And you could use more sage if you'd like.
And 2 tablespoons of parsley.
And I like to put the parsley in there. That adds a lot of color to your dish and also gives it some flavor.
Now whisk that up. Oh, such good aroma.
Oh, it does. I know. And then...
now the secret ingredient.
And I really like to add this better than bouillon chicken flavor. Now you can add the granulated if that's all you've got, just granulated chicken flavor. But I'm going to do 3 rounded teaspoons of this chicken flavor. And this gives it a lot of great taste.
And whisk that. We got a lot of whisking going on, don't we?
We do.
A lot. Oh, adding 2 cups of chicken or turkey broth.
And we're adding that directly into the sausage. And this is also going to help it cool off a little bit because we don't want to put the egg mixture in this and have those eggs start cooking. So we want to make sure that meat and mixture down here is cooled off.
We're going to butter our baking dish.
Everything's better with butter. Lots of butter. We like our butter, don't we?
Of course.
Mm-hmm. And once that's done, we're going to go back over here and add in our delicious cornbread.
Adding 3 cups of Jiffy Cornbread Stuffing. Also adding 2 cups of stovetop regular stuffing.
Yes, you want to definitely make sure you have a mixture, not just the cornbread. And we're going to add that in there.
Just pour that into the mix.
Yeah, that's got great flavor and it's super easy. Now you could use it, you know, if you want to make your own with white bread, you can, but we're just using stovetop.
Then pour in our egg broth mixture. Sorry, not sure what happened there with the camera, but here we are.
Technical difficulty, but we poured that egg mixture in and folded it in together.
Got it all stirred up. Now we're going to scoop that into the baking dish.
You want to just loosely scoop it in evenly.
Speed it up, Jen. I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
As always. Just spread it evenly in there.
Yeah, and you don't want to pack this down. I like to leave it a little loose. That'll help it cook evenly too. So.
Got the oven preheated to 350 degrees and cover it with foil.
Yeah, you want to tightly cover that. And that will help it cook quicker.
You're making sure I don't get into it before it's ready, huh?
Yeah, that's the reason. We're going to bake it for about 45 minutes covered, and then we will check it. It's been in there 45 minutes.
So now we're going to remove the foil. Let it bake for like 15 minutes uncovered.
And
now look at that.
Isn't that
it's
look
golden
yummy?
Brown.
Oh my gosh. Crispy on top.
That looks really good and smells so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to get into this.
Look at all that flavor.
We have some cranberry sauce on the side.
She's already talking about cranberries.
Oh, yeah.
Hear it crunch on top, and yet it's still...
This right here would be so good, especially for Thanksgiving or for the holidays.
Oh, yeah.
And it goes good with turkey, ham, or chicken.
And you could have this at any time.
We got to get a cranberry sauce out of the fridge now.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Oh, that looks so good.
Some gravy.
This is good.
Well, as Steve would say, is this the best cornbread sausage stuffing you've ever had?
If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. Oh, let's
Look
go.
at this.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.